And the big political story today, the Union Cabinet has given the go-ahead to its original formula of 10 Telangana districts forming India's 29th state, even though the GOM had just last night put forward a 12-district Royal Telangana as a better option. So is the Congress's move about genuine statehood aspirations, or is this poll engineering? Exit polls have predicted a BJP win in 4 of the 5 states that voted recently. And while the results are due only on Sunday, it's quite clear that smaller parties in the south especially may consider siding with the BJP and try piggybacking on its supposed Modi wave.
The Union Cabinet late on Thursday gave its approval to the AP State Reorganisation Bill, with 10 districts of Telangana forming India's 29th state. Less than 24 hours earlier, the group of ministers had recommended 12 districts, including 2 from Rayalaseema, to be included in the proposed new state. Hyderabad will be the joint capital for a maximum of 10 years, and law and order here would be the responsibility of the governor of Telangana.
The common capital for such period not exceeding 10 years will be existing Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation area.
It's been a flip-flop for the central government, in particular the Congress party. After first deliberating of including Rayalaseema regions of Kurnool and Anandpur, it finally decided to stick to its original plan of the 10 districts of Telangana. Now the focus shifts to the President of India and then to the Andhra Pradesh Assembly, where they will have to deliberate, and then the Cabinet will take a final call before it is sent to both houses of Parliament.
In Hyderabad, the Bandh call given by the Telangana Rashtra Samiti to protest against Royal Telangana ensured there were no public transport buses on the road. Shops, schools and colleges remained closed across 10 districts of Telangana.
फिर उन लोगों को लाके हमारा पास रखे तो फिर वही होता बोल के तो हमारा कोल लेके जाते, हमारा पानी लेके जाते, हमारा एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी वो लोग लेके जाते, इसीलिए उन लोग से मिलजुल कर रहने का इष्ट नहीं है.
The flip-flop by the central government helped the TRS reassert its claim to be the voice of the Telangana people, at a time when the party feared that it was losing political ground in Telangana to the Congress post the CWC resolution on Telangana. The Congress had gambled to make electoral gains in both Rayalaseema and in Telangana with the 12-district formula. But its flip-flop has only further damaged its credibility in public perception. With Sunil Prabhu in Delhi, in Hyderabad, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.